Hello, I'm Tim Durham. The video that's coming up, my son, Tim Jr., and we went over there, a man in the county, and Sissy posted it on her Facebook, and so we found out about it, and we went over there. So this is Hiving the Swarm. Forgive the camera jerking, if you will. Overlook that, because Grant, the man that his property, he was holding the camera, helping us out, and so here we go. All right, you're not going to believe what all. That's Grant right there. He got a swarm of bees. That's my son.
Now, if you're able to,
and we're trying to get those bees.
You can let it.
We're trying to get those bees up there.
So it'll go up underneath that branch.
Up there. Pretty good swarm.
Come on down.
But man.
All right, now come forward a little.
All right, yes, sir. Now hold your left hand. Don't let it jerk. Tim Durham's up there, Junior. He's cutting that limb. And those bees, they got on his case a minute ago. And Grant called us, and this is his tree. All right, he's coming down. And Tim Jr., I suspect he's gonna have to hand it to me. Man, this was a challenge here. I mean, a challenge.
Yeah, but we overcoming.
Boy, you're doing all right. What did you say, Grant?
We overcoming, though.
I heard that. Grant.
Oh.
Yeah, when it jerks. All right, now look. Hey, if you don't mind, hold that limb right there and let them kind of gather back on it. And that queen's gonna be in there, and you can ease on down. Yeah, just come on down slowly. Don't get in a hurry. I got to tell the boy how to do everything.
Oh.
And have they popped you yet?
Not yet.
Can you see what you're doing?
Pretty much.
Talk to me now.
Oh, I can see.
Don't hit and you get ready to hit the tractor with the bees. This pretty good. This pretty good bunch here. Maybe 3 pounds. And
all right, so hey, hand me the deal, the cutters. I let them hit the ground.
all right.
I'm gonna cut this extra branch off so it won't snag anything.
All right. Hey, you mean cut this? Oh, you can. Now, people don't usually see me wearing a veil, but Timmy got up there and started to get them, and they got on his case. It rained last night. It was cloudy, so.
Oh.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get it up closer so they'll land. So do you think if I go ahead and ease this down,
Yeah,
Jim,
yes.
that they will go ahead and...
Yes. Just don't jerk them. You want to hand them to me?
Yep.
Hold
Hey,
it.
look, hey.
Don't turn this shit. Okay, I
Got it? All right.
All right. Grant, you want to get a little closer or not? You don't have to.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, Grant, come over here to the outside of the ladder, and I'm going to lay these down. I'm not going to really shake them. I'll tell you what, I'm going to lay those down. I'm going to lay them down right there for a minute, and I'm going to let them start going in the hive. In the top here, it's open. And then...
These dudes running over me.
Yeah, can you take it over there?
Well,
Is it still running?
Yeah, I'm going to get a little bit out.
And,
Yeah, they starting to get a little...
And so, I laid this on top. I don't know if the queen was up here or down here. And then I'm gonna try to shake them in the hive. I'm gonna shake one. I'm gonna try to shake one. Well, both. I think we're doing all right. Now I don't know if the camera can see. Get a little closer. If the camera can see this white on the limb, that's beeswax. So they landed here, I'd say yesterday. All right, now, give me the camera. I'm gonna show them where they're going in the entrance. And okay, now when you see them, one just got me. All right, when you see them going and marching in like that, man, that's what you want to see right there. Now that limb was long, and some of them got bumped over there, but man, they're marching in like soldiers. Now this makes a bit. This makes a beekeeper happy. So
got a few more recongregating up at the top. We'll be able to cut that
they'll come down.
All right.
If the queen's in here, they will come down, and I believe they're. Okay, I'm gonna move the camera up there. All right. Now, if the queen is up there, they'll all go back up there. But if the queen is in the hive, those up there on the limb, they'll come down here. Now, tell me what you could do is go up the ladder and just shake. You don't have a long pole. We can shake that limb.
I got one with a hook on it. Oh, hey, I can just climb up there. I got a pole that you can reach up there and hang.
All right, and the bee pooted on my camera, but all right, Timmy's gonna go up there and.
You want me to shake it and not cut it?
No, just it'd be nice if you cut it.
Cut it. Yeah, there's a whole lot congregating.
Yeah, if the queen's up there, they'll all go back up there, and we don't want that. Now this time, don't. Yeah, if you bump them.
Sorry.
Well, you can't help it. They're kind of loose.
Well, hey,
they're all over.
You just drop this down there.
They're
all over you.
Yeah, I know it. They're not stinging too bad.
You got it?
I got it. All right, Timmy cut that little branch, and I believe we got them. Now, you beekeepers that are new at this is fun. Now, you ought to do it. It'll be fun, and so if and when, if the queen's down here, all those up there will come down. Now there's a lot of them in the air, but when they discover the queen's in the hive, they'll come down here. But there is a lot of bees up there, so in just a few minutes we'll know. They're marching in pretty good, so I think we got them. Oh, I thought that was a golf club.
It was at one point, or a ski pole.
Well, they're all down now.
What do you use that for?
Pick it up, Joe. One fishing and a fire poker.
Oh. You know, farm boy learns how to make stuff do.
Get by, that's right.
They're fanning.
Over to that other one, yeah, it's the same.
They're fanning, and I believe the queen's down here. See, there's not as many up there now. There's a lot of bees in the air, and they're sending a pheromone to tell the bees, come on in here, mama's in here.
So what causes them to get on the limb up here like this?
Because
Is that like a hive?
honeybees, you know, people multiply by having babies. Cows having calves. Bees multiply by swarming. That's how they multiply.
So that's where you basically have another queen, and she leaves.
They make another queen, and the old mother queen will leave with 60% of the bees. Then the new queen will
pick up what's left
and keep that colony going. Okay, last portion. We have brought the bees down, and a lot of them gathered on the top of the ladder. and the queen may be in there. So my son, he got the ladder down and put the edge of the ladder against the hive so they'll crawl in there. Now I'm gonna see if I can I'm gonna see if I can rake. Alright. Alright, now I'm gonna see I'm gonna try to. There's an awful lot of bees on this.
Can you slide the inner cover back, or is it good?
No, it may. I may slide it back. Okay. I'm gonna go around the other side and do the same thing. That queen may be on that ladder. There's an awful lot of them that.
You should come on now and get in that hive.
All right. There's a lot of them inside.
If I was a bee, I'd want to go ahead and go in that nice new house.
Yeah. Yes, indeed. I'm constantly looking for the queen, and
Still got a few big. Get on that limb up there.
Yep.
yeah, as long as
All these gonna fit in there?
yeah, I have had swarms. Now this is a good swarm. In the last several years, the swarms have got smaller and smaller. Now, grant it's possible for these bees to leave this hive. Most of the time they don't, but sometimes they do. And that's discouraging, but that's part of the ball game.
Alright, so we've got another ball still forming up top. I don't know if you want me to shake them down.
Yeah, here, let me.
Alright.
That's my job.
Oh, we don't want to taking your job now. Raining bees.
Now, it's also possible that there's more than one queen in there. There can be 2 or 3 virgin queens, and that can kind of compound. There can be a queen in there and a queen up there, and but there's fewer bees up in the air, and now they smell where the queen was up there. If there was one up there, they smell it, and so I think we temporarily had this game won. I'm gonna pick this up and I'm gonna bump them in there. This inside this ladder is, it's not a straight surface, so I'm gonna see if I can They got me a couple of times. That helps my arthritis.
You think you can just move the inner cover and just knock them down in there? Just shake them
Actually,
off?
we can shake them in front of the entrance on the ground. All right, good job. Now they're getting you now.
They got a little excited.
I was walking down the sidewalk the other day, and as there was a little boy sitting on the steps there on the sidewalk, and he was eating candy. And as I approached, I could see he was eating that candy just as fast as he could unwrap it. I mean, one after another. And of course, me being an old man, I thought that wasn't good. and he seemed like a nice boy. And so when I got up where he was, I commenced to telling him that, eating all that candy wasn't good because it'd ruin his supper. Now, down here in the South, we say supper, not dinner. But anyway, I told him, I said, that candy, that's not good for you, and it's going to ruin your supper. And he said, well, I don't know about that. But my grandpa lived to be 102. I said, 102? 102 eating all that, eating a lot of candy? And the little boy said, no, minding his own business. So that's the end of that story. All right, y'all go down there and give me a thumbs up and have a good day.